everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyando. For those who are new, karibuni sana sana. So today we are going to be talking about deep conditioning or deep treatment. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's protein or if it's moisturizing, blah 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 blah, but the thing is deep treatment. Yeah, so basically that's what we're going to be talking about, and I don't know why naturalistas think that that stage of cleaning of your hair, it is optional or it is not meant for you, but basically it's actually meant for you because one, your hair is naturally dry, and deep treatment is the part where you basically bring back the moisture that you got, that was gotten off when you are shampooing. So what I'm saying is, one, about deep treatment, every time you shampoo your hair, it is compulsory for you to deep treat. And I'm not talking about co-washing, I'm talking about shampooing your hair. So whether you're using sulfate free or you're using sulfate shampoo with sulfate, it doesn't matter. So long as you're using shampoo to wash your hair, you need to use deep treatment. That is one. Second, I know I've ever talked about deep treatment before. I'm going to link the video right here where I talked about protein treatment and moisturizing deep treatment. Now basically the difference is one is for moisture and one is for protein. Now I'm not going to talk a lot about deep treatments in that area, about comparison, about moisturizing and protein treatment, but I'm basically going to tell you the importance of having both. One, a moisturizing deep treatment is needed on a weekly basis, every time when you wash your hair on a weekly basis, and then a protein treatment is needed on a monthly level. So you can use any type of protein treatment that works best for you, but never neglect protein treatment on a monthly level. So it's just once a month, and the moisturizing deep treatment, every time when you do a wash of your hair, you need to do a moisturizing deep treatment, and your hair will really thank you, and you're going to see the changes in a while after you've created a routine for your hair. Now I remember I also used to think that deep treatment is not basically for my hair, because when I became a natural, I remember I had a friend who used to deep treat her hair all the time, and her hair used to be off. It used to thank her. Yeah, so but I never understood like why would she hustle. Like natural hair is just basically you just wash and then continue your day until the time when I put in deep treatment into my routine. That's when my hair started thanking me. Kaniambia, you know what, tunakushukuru Kyando for taking care of us. Now we are giving you a present. Yeah, so basically that's what. But I want this to pass on to other naturalista that deep treatment is basically for any type of hair, not just natural hair, also relaxed hair and also colored hair. And I'm talking about colored hair and relaxed hair because they're chemically treated, so they need it more than us, but it doesn't mean that hata sisi hatuhitaji need it as much. Yeah, so basically that's it. I hope you learned something from my video. It's very short and sweet, and I know you love it. So until next time, ciao.